Hi, my name is Anjaya. I head the IT for the Somany Impresa Group. It's a group comprising of multiple businesses. Hindware Limited, Hindware Home Innovations Limited, and AGI Greenpac Limited. Hindware is a prominent brand in India, which in fact introduced sanitary ware to India about 6 to 7 decades back. So we are into building products, pipes, we both agree, and plumbing, and home innovations, kitchen appliances, plus a container glass manufacturing. Again, that's a major business within the group. Well, I think if I may say, any manufacturing, be it manufacturing or trading or even the FinServ, the businesses, when it comes to the development, agility, the speed, and how we can overcome the data silos is the biggest challenge. So, well, I think, see, we have traditionally, we are a big shop of SAP. SAP is our digital core, right? And we have two SAP instances in the landscape, and both of them are S4 HANA. Since these instances of more of pro code, any requirement that comes from business, if you have to build it, it takes ages. Although there are, the AI and advancements keep coming in, but still there's a struggle. The another option is building a custom app or going with equivalent, the other, the SaaS based application. But again, there is a similar challenge. If I would go with a custom app, custom build app, what happens is not just the agility, but also the security and the hosting, server, everything I have to kind of go by. We not only have SAP, just so that you know, we have quite a few SaaS-based applications and even other homegrown and custom apps as well. So we are in the process of looking at, reviewing it, how I can get this agility and the speed, go to market, how I can improve it. So when we were reviewing it, we reviewed a lot of other solutions also. And as part of evaluation, evaluating different solutions, we have, they looked at Zoho Creator also, and we thought Zoho Creator probably the works best for us, seeing the needs and the expectations overall. So Zoho Creator building apps and then the getting that paperless, building it onto the the digital forms, getting that into the digital footprint was very, very easy. It was like, given a requirement, there were some applications we have built in couple of hours, not even days, which otherwise used to take days to weeks. So this was the I would say the great that we have seen from the Zoho Creator. I think the AI enabled Zia assistant sitting across the business user, so when asked the requirement, we were able to type it and then showcase the prototype right there itself. I would say that's the game changer. I think it's not about the feature, general, for example, data silos. All the paper-based and Excel-based forms and the templates that the people are using on the ground, be any function, right, from the shop floor, the sales and the logistics and all that, right? So when they had these, all the data was sitting in silos. So with the platform, we have data, centralized data, and it's coming with the proper security, right, and protected environment. The another great feature that I could see from the Zoho is I can even protect the data IP specific. So in a plant, if I give that form, if I restrict that, within that plant, user can only access that application only within that area. The moment he goes out, and that's the beauty of, I would say, one of the greatest feature that we loved, the Zoho Creator. It's like this, right? So we're not unique. So whatever the challenges that we have seen, I'm sure the challenges others are also seeing it. And I can tell you, basis my experience, this is, I would say, so I've lived in the SAP consulting also for more than 2 decades. and where we have seen like some of the implementations goes beyond a year and years, and some forms and applications from the time the requirement comes, till the deployment happens, it goes, although we say like simple, but it takes like months. But here with this, I was able to deploy in a week. The user, this is for this applicable, this is across the industry, it's industry agnostic. It doesn't matter where and which industry, whether it is manufacturing or not. I think this is similar challenges. I think I was speaking to Karup, so one of the feature I was telling him is like, how do I crunch the overall turnaround time? Right now, the Zoho Creator, if I look at it, so the development piece, where like it reduced my turnaround time of development by almost to 1/10 of what it used to be. When I was speaking to him, I was telling him like, how do I crunch overall time, requirement to delivery? So even today, the requirement capturing, although it is helping to an extent, but let's say if I have to edit it again, I have to go and then edit it. So maybe the way that I see, like the moment I have the requirement, I spell it, boom, the application is ready, right? The second aspect is the security threats that keep evolving. Although we say like data is encrypted both at the rest and the motion, how we can get to the next level of the security and the data, how we can protect the data. So let's say, for example, we have it, and then so someone can download the data, maybe it is sensitive data, and then forward it to something else. Unless until I have an endpoint DLP today from the cybersecurity, I will not be able to control. But can this platform come up with those features that can control and give the better security, so I can avoid other ones? I'm sure, knowing Zoho, where we have started a year back and where we see now, there are definitely a lot of technological advancements that Zoho has brought in, and I'm sure, knowing Zoho, furthermore advancements I'm sure will come. I'll give you one example. There were users, and these users have been there in the system for many years in the system, and the belief that they had on the IT system build, it takes months. And when we were discussing that something that we can do it quickly, they did not have hopes. They said like, no, all you guys come and then speak and then go. This is not achievable. And this is just before the lunch. What my team did is, during the lunch break, that half an hour, whatever they discussed, they've built that app. Immediately after the lunch, when user came, they presented that app. Wow, that's a wow factor, which created a huge impact, getting these apps built on Zoho adapted very well. And it goes word of mouth. People do speak, and that's where we could see the heavy adoption on this. So we have today, I must tell you, so some of our shop floor departments completely paperless. Some of our departments in the shop floor are completely paperless because of thanks to Zoho Creator. And we are aiming towards all our plants, shop floors, digitalized 100% using this low-code, no-code platform. And on top of digitalizing shop floor paperless forms, we have also built quite a few apps. But I can't tell you, so for different reasons. But I can tell you the number of forms. In last 1 year, we could build 200 plus paper-based or Excel-based forms into the digital forms. And there are about 25 plus apps, such as I can name one of them. One of the app is contractors. We have a large number of contractors on the field to manage the T&L expenses that used to be completely manual. They used to submit manual receipts, attach the receipts along with the Excel, and they used to post it to the central office who used to process it. That whole process is digitized. I think I would say it's just the beginning. So we have started the journey April 2024, It's been a year, great journey. There's a lot to come. In fact, the quite a few applications we already thinking about, and then one of the strategy that I have, in fact, telling my team to keep my ERP core clean. So any customization, instead of it being built in SAP, I would rather bring it up onto the Zoho Creator, and this becomes my front end. So see, typically what happens is, whether it is SAP or so non-SAP SaaS-based applications or any enterprise application, one of the biggest challenge, I would say, of course, any LC&C platform talks about the agility and the speed and all that. But one of the things that I would say, keep your core clean. So don't customize too much. Use the LC&C platforms. Of course, Zoho Creator, I can talk about Zoho Creator by evaluating different platforms. Zoho Creator, came in the best in our, the comparative, the metrics, be technical and other parameters. And that's something that I would say, keep your core clean, build all your customization, bring it onto the, Zoho Creator, which actually gets you the agility, the speed, and move away from your data silos, gets all data at one central platform. I think these are the 2-3 reasons I would say why you should look for the Zoho Creator. The agility of building the application and speed to market, data security, even to the extent of the IP, the perimeter and the geofence, Zoho Creator is the best.